Hello everyone, Nishant here from learnqaskill. In today's video, we are going to learn about smoke testing and the second one is a sanity testing. So let's first discuss about the smoke testing. Smoke testing verifies the critical or the basic functionalities of the application is working or not. And the smoke testing is done every time whenever there is a new build release. And the smoke testing is performed by both the developers and testers. So developers will do the smoke testing at their environment before releasing the software to testing team, and the testing team or the testers will do the smoke testing to check that the build received from the development team is it testable or not. And the smoke testing conducted on initial builds when the build is unstable. And the smoke testing is also called as a subset of acceptance testing. The smoke testing verifies the entire system from end to end, and the smoke testing is documented or scripted. Next is a sanity testing. So the sanity testing verifies the bug have been fixed or the new feature introduced in the received application, and because of that changes or because of that bug fix or new feature, there are no further issues are introduced in the application. Sanity testing is performed after the several changes have been made to the previous build, and the sanity testing is performed alone by the testers. And sanity testing is done on the stable builds. And sanity testing also called as a subset of regression testing. Sanity testing verifies the particular component of an application, and the sanity testing is not documented or scripted. So this is a quick comparison of smoke testing and sanity testing. Whenever there is a new application or software has been developed, so initially that software application is unstable. So on that unstable build, we do the smoke testing to check that the basic or critical functionalities of that application is working or not. If everything is working fine, then we go for the regression testing. If that basic or critical functionality is not working, then we reject that build and send back to the developer. Then developer will fix that and they will again release the new build. Again on the new build, we do the smoke testing to check that the basic or critical functionalities is working or not. If everything is working fine, then we will go for the regression testing. If that is not working, then we will reject the build. So this process is continuous follows until and unless the build got stable. So after conducting the multiple rounds of smoke testing, that build got stable. So once the build is stable, on that stable build, we conduct the sanity testing. If the sanity testing get passed, then we will go for the regression testing. If the sanity test case get failed, then we will reject that build and again send back to the development team. If in both the cases test case get failed, we will reject the build. If test case get passed, then we will move for the regression testing.